There's a new twist in the Olivia Wilde and Jason Sudeikis custody drama. So Olivia was served legal documents while she was on stage in front of thousands of industry execs at CinemaCon in Vegas. Well, she was given a manila envelope that said personal and confidential. Inside were custody documents from her ex, Jason Sudeikis. Olivia was there to promote her new film, Don't Worry, Darling, which he directed. It also stars her boyfriend, Harry Styles. Now, according to Variety, Jason claimed he had no knowledge of the time or the place that the envelope would be delivered and would never condone her being served in such an inappropriate manner. Do you guys buy it? A lot of our viewers don't buy it. They believe that he was in on it, maybe bad blood with the whole Harry Styles thing.
Did either one of you hear Don't Worry, Darling by Jeff Schroeder playing Jason Sudeikis playing Ted Lasso? No. That was, can we hear it real quick?
Don't worry, darling. Good. I was off the cuff. Yeah. But I was thinking the same thing. Ted Lasso would never do something like this. But Jason Sudeikis? Maybe.
I don't think so. I think you guys, we're just like neglecting just self-preservation. I mean, honestly, when she was served, think about how many people disliked that just in the audience, saying that was a rude thing to do for just a career move. I don't think this is what he did, and I think just the way process servers work, I think they're just trying to serve somebody so they can move to the next person. And when it's somebody famous like Olivia Wilde, when are you going to have access to her, Erica? You can't get back to the green room. You're not going to be sitting in her car service.
So how did she get how did this process server, Erica, get credentials? Because you cannot break and enter, you cannot use threats or harassment, you cannot pretend to be a law enforcement officer, you can stake out a person, but you cannot enter an arena without those proper credentials.
Now, according to the process server community, apparently it is very common for the person who is trying to serve the person to work in cahoots. So I think that it was very much done on purpose. Now, I've never been served, but I have been repoed. And I'm going to tell you right now, when she came up to me and I was hosting a charity event, when charity should have started at home, there was a lot of information that she had on me, and she didn't get it out of thin air, so she knew exactly where I was. Yes, I believe that it was in cahoots.
Can I just say, I'm kind of here for it.
Yeah.
The jerk in me kind of likes it. Here's why.
Explain.
There was a little bit of an overlap from when they broke up and she started directing that movie. So obviously something went down with the very cute Harry Styles, 10 years younger Harry Styles. I'd feel some sort of way if Jordan left me for Bieber. You know what I mean?
So if I gotta really be in your feelings.
Actually, I would probably like it. But I would, a little zinger in public, you know what I mean? Here's your movie that you broke up with me for. This amicable stuff, I'm not buying it.
If it was exactly the way Jeff paints it, I'm with Jeff. If Mark cheated on me with some young thing, it would feel really good to embarrass him. I'm sorry, I'm just being honest. Now, would I regret it later? Yes, because that is the father of my kids. But I do know that there's a sense of resentment, and sometimes that does come out to revenge.
Would you want to mess with the father of your kids' money?
No.
Because that's what you're doing.
No.
If you embarrass her in front of her colleagues, that's the industry.
No. It's not like you're dumping pig's blood on her like Carrie.
She's getting served at court papers.
You're embarrassing her a little bit.
Yeah. You said it was a zinger. That's beyond a zinger in front of...
You're not slapping her in front of everybody.
I'm not talking about physical, but I'm talking about your career.
First and foremost, I just want to say we don't know if there's any cheating involved. That's just alleged.
There was some overlap.
There's some overlap. Believe there's overlap, but that's all I can say. Also, two other really weird places where people got served. One was at a funeral. Yeah, it was this individual's mom's funeral. Another one, I guess you can serve when you cross state lines if you're on an airplane. So if you're ever on an airplane and someone comes over to you when you cross state lines with a manila envelope, you've been served.
There's another one. It's playing out on Real Housewives of Orange County this season. Noella got served as a bouquet of flowers delivery.
I don't like the theater. I want the pageantry. Just serve me.
All right.